Gks Lifting and Moving Solutions provides German-manufactured rigging equipment for lifting and moving heavy loads. GKS manufactures hydraulic tow jacks, which lift heavy loads that are low to the ground. External pumps are used to tie multiple jacks together and allow for operation from a further distance. Once the load is lifted, GKS offers industrial dollies with non-marking rollers to move the load. GKS transport dollies form a 3-point moving system that can be pulled by hand or tugged by a forklift. GKS container dollies are designed to move bulky ISO containers and feature special twist locks. GKS rotating dollies enable 360-degree movement, allowing you to make tight turns with ease. The Gks Robot is a battery-powered, remote-controlled, wireless transport system that allows you to move heavy loads with no manual effort or additional machinery. If you're interested in learning more, visit us at gksweb.com.